Sawadee krab. So in this section, we'll learn the 7 common mid-class consonants and the vowels R, E, U. All right. Vowels in Thai are known as sara. So the vowel R, right? I can call it sara A, sara A. Okay. When I pronounce it, I say sara A. It means the vowel A. Okay. Sara. So these are the 7 common consonants, right? All these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember that the consonants have names, right? So this character here is called ko kai, right? Ko kai. And these words at the back, right, containing the consonants, the meanings are over here. So kai means chicken, right? Jo chan, chan means plate. Do dek, dek means child or kid, right? To tao means turtle or tortoise, etc., etc., etc. Okay. Let's now learn how to write the 7 common mid-class consonants. Okay. If you have blank pieces of paper or you have foolscap paper, now is a great time to just take it and practice writing with me. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to write the consonants. So the first one is ko kai. Am I right? Ko kai. So the ko sound, right? How do you write ko kai? Okay, we start from the bottom like that, go up, twist and turn like that. This is ko kai. Okay, this one should be a bit straighter. I'm writing with my mouse, so it can be a bit unstable. Let's try again. Ko kai. It looks like a electric kettle, right? At home, like the what do you call it? The flask, right? Ko kai. All right, this is ko kai. If I write it smaller, it will look something like this. Ko kai. All right, this is ko kai. Next, we have cho chan. So if you look at these, right, there are some characters have circles. Whenever you see a circle, you must write from there first. Okay, write from there first. So cho chan, let's start with cho chan. You can see the circles in the middle. So start from the circle, go down and curve upwards like that. Again, go down and go upward like that. Cho chan. All right. If I write it small, you look something like this. Oops. All right, something like this. Try again. Circle, start from the circle first, go down and up. All right, this is cho chan. Start from the middle, by the way. Next, we have do dek. Right? Again, start from the circle at the center. Do dek, go down and go up like that. Do dek. All right, do dek. One more time. Circle, go down and up. This is do dek. The D sound. If I write it small, it will look something like this. All right, do dek. Next, we have to tao. The to sound, like tu, right? Tu ka, tu. So to tao looks like do dek, but the difference is the top here. There's a kink at the top here, so it looks a bit like a heart, right? All right, to tao. The middle wasn't drawn that well. It should be something like this. Okay, let me retry it. Something like this. Okay, something like this. If I were to draw it smaller, you look something like this. This looks so much better, right? In terms of the circle. To tao. Okay. You can find whatever ways you want to try to remember the consonants that look similar, right? So do dek means child, right? You look at the top, it's very smooth, so it's like a child's head, right? A child's head is supposed to be very smooth, correct? But tortoise, right? The shell, sometimes they are like chips, right? It's not smooth. So imagine someone put something at the shell and they like hammer it, causing a kind of chip over here. All right. So totao is tortoise, correct? Next, we have bo bai mai, bo bai mai, bo bai mai, right? So now we start from the top, right? But always from the circle. So circle first, go down and up like that. Try again. Bo bai mai. All right. Make sure it looks a bit like a square. This is still okay, but we can kind of narrow it down a little. Bo bai mai, start from the circle, go down and up. All right. Let's write it small this time. Bo bai mai is written this way. Bo bai mai is written this way. Okay. Looks like a kind of like a pot where you can add water, right? Yeah. Next we have poplar, right? Poplar. So if you look over here, poplar looks like bo bai mai a little, but there's a tail over here that extends beyond the line over here. So poplar, right, should look something like this. All right, poplar, or you can even extend it further. All right, poplar. Maybe something like this. Let's write it small this time. If it's small, it will look something like this. All right. Okay. The difference between bo bai mai and poplar is just this part. All right. Lastly, we have the glottal stop or ang. All right, or ang. You can write it this way, or you can write it this way. All right, without the stroke at the bottom. It's the same, but do not write it as question mark. Okay, this is not correct. All right, it looks like a question mark without the dot. So or ang, start from the circle again. Start from the circle. Something like this. All right, or ang. Go down and curl up like that. Or ang. All right, if I write it small, it will look like this. All right. Or ang. All right. So this is กอไก่จอจานดอเด็กตอเต่าบอใบไม้ปอปลา and ออ่าง the 7 common mid-class consonants. Now let's learn the vowels. The vowels r, e, and u, สระอาสระอี and สระอู so you should take note of the position. All right. So sara a is written after the consonant, to the right of the consonant. Okay, it looks like a candy cane, right? The Christmas candy cane or walking cane. So it's written on the right, right? So this is ko kai. This is a. So this is pronounced as ka. All right. As for the sara e, right, the vowel e is written above. Okay, so one way to remember maybe is like the letter I in English, you have a dot above the strokes, right? So the same thing as the same as Thai. We write the E above the consonant. All right. As for the vowel U, the vowel symbol is written below the consonant and it's on the right hand side. It's not on the middle, it's not in the middle, and it's not on the left hand side at the bottom. All right. So if you look at the shape also, this is the vowel U, correct? It looks like the letter U also that we use to represent U, right? It looks like they look similar, correct? And the vowel U is actually a mini version of bo bai mai. All right. So let's try to write the vowels. Let's try to write the vowels. So sara a, right? Sara a. So suppose this is the consonant, right? Sara a is written this way. Sorry, it should be straight, okay? So for example, if you have ko kai, right? make sure you take note of the relative heights. Okay, if this is ko kai, Sara A is written this way. All right, make sure they are of the same like height. All right, ko kai. This is ko a ka. All right, ko a ka. If it's all ang, right? If it's all ang is like that, right? So the I will be written this way. What about the one that is very, very tall, like this one? Poplar. Something like this, right? So we write it this way. Okay. We don't write it this way. This is very wrong. Okay. All the consonants and vowels, they have a particular height. So most consonants and vowels, they occupy kind of like two bars, two empty bars, right? Or 3 lines. But some consonants and vowels will extend beyond the 3 lines. Okay, like poplar. All right. So Sara A is written on the right, remember? And the height is like that. It looks like a hook. Okay. Next, Sara E. How do you write Sara E? If this the consonant is just written above like that. All right. Sara E. When you write the Sara E, right, make sure you start like that. All right. You start from the right, go to the left, curve, and then go up. You don't like that and then whatever. Okay, there's a particular stroke when you write it. So if you have the word dodek, right? Dodek. Right? You just write it above like that. D, okay? D, if you have totao, right? We write it above. This is to, e, t, okay? T. What about the vowel u? The vowel u. So if this is your consonant, correct? Vowel u is written here. All right. So for example, ko kai again. Ko kai. Vowel u is written here. U. All right. Remember, they look similar. The u sound and the symbol. This is ku. What about cho chan and sara u? Write it here. Okay. This is chu. What about popla? Okay. We write it like that. Okay. We write it on the like right hand side, right half of the consonant. We cannot write it this way. Do not write it this way. And definitely do not write it this way. Okay, these are the wrong positions. Okay, so these are how you write the Sara A, Sara E, and Sara U. Okay, let's look at this. The P, right? So if you have poplar, this one is already taking up the space here. So when we write Sara E, we just write it like above the rest of the consonant. We don't write it this way. Okay, no. Now let's do some reading practice. Okay, how do you read the following? So when you see a word in Thai, right, you shouldn't like always assume that it is spelled consonant first and then vowel later. The vowel can actually be written before the consonant. Okay, so maybe a tip would be that if something appears on top, right, like this, or below, is most likely a vowel. Okay, and then if you look at your vowels, right, they're usually like sticks, like just one stroke like that. But the consonants, they will have they have like more of a body, a fuller body occupying more space. But this is just like a stroke like that. All right. So let's see, what character is this? How do you read this? This is ko kai, right? Ko kai, and this is sara a, sara a. So ko kai sara a is ka. This is ka. What about the next one? What consonant is this? This is dodek, correct? Dodek. Remember the round head of a child, and the sarau, alright? Sarau. So this is do. What about this? This is poplar, correct? Poplar. And this is the sarau, correct? Sarau. So this word is pronounced as pu. Now read these three words. Kadupu. All right. Ka is your crow over here. Ka. Pu is this crab. And do is to take a look or look to see, like kan. So kadupu means the crow is looking at the crab. All right. Uya kan. 螃蟹, correct? Next, this one, this character is บอใบไม้ right? บอใบไม้ and the vowel this one is บอใบไม้ also, and this one on top, if it's on top is e, right? So this is Barbie. Next, this consonant here is กอไก่ right? กอไก่ and the vowel is below, so it is u. It looks like a letter U, right? So this is ku. Next, this one. This is จอจาน right? จอจาน and the vowels above, that means that it is e. So this is ku ji. All right. Next, this is ต่อเต่า. There's a king over here. Imagine someone damaging the tortoise's shell, right? ต่อเต่า. And this is sara right? This word is pronounced as ta. This word is the same as this, right? This is do, correct? Same as this, do. What about this? This is dodek also, right? Dodek. And then sara e. So this word is pronounced as di. Ta do di. Ta do di. Ta is this thing, your eye, right? 眼睛. Do is to look, right? Di is good, like สบายดีไหม อร่อยดี okay? ตาดูดี means your eye looks good, like it looks very charming. All right. Next, this is poplar, right? This is poplar. This consonant is poplar, and then above is the vowel e. So this word is pronounced as p. All right. This one กอไก่ right? กอไก่ and สระ what? สระ สระ this is จอจาน and สระ u. So these three words are pronounced as Pikachu. All right. Next, this is the glottal stop, o ang, right? And sara a. So this is this one is to tao, correct? To tao, and sara e. So this is t. This is yeah, same as this one, right? Same as this one. กอไก่ and สระอู. This is กูอาตีกู all right อาตีกู last one จอจาน right สระกอไก่ สระอา last one is ต่อเต่า and สระอา so this is จากาตา. All right, that's how you pronounce the name of Jakarta in Thai. All right.